everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create outstanding AI images online. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. The latest advances in AI art creation allows you to create photorealistic images from scratch using text input. You don't need any artistic or technical talent to make this. You can use an online AI art generator. Simply open up a web browser. As soon as you open up a web browser, in the search box, search for AI image generator and press enter on your keyboard. You'll be able to find tons of websites from where you can easily create an AI image. Some of the best AI art generators you can use are Jasper Art, Night Cafe, Stable Diffusion, Photosonic, and there are others as well. But in today's video, I'm going to show you by using Photor. Simply go ahead and in the URL box search for photor.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure to create an account for photor.com and log into your account as well. Once you're inside, go to the top of the screen and select AI Tools. From the drop down, click on AI Art Generator. Now, click on the AI Generate Image Now button on the left hand side. You'll be able to try the platform for free. You can go ahead and start with a free trial over here by clicking on this button and enter your payment method. Go ahead and select the premium feature you'd like to start up with and follow through the on-screen prompts in order to buy photo.com. Now, in order to create an AI image, you can now drag or upload your own image to turn it into an AI image, or you can also type in a text in order to create an AI image. Go to the top left hand corner and click on this text to image option in order to create an image via text. Now describe what you want to create with phrases and make sure to separate them with commas. For example, I'm going to type in all of the things that you'd want to include in the image and click on generate. Now wait for a few minutes and the AI will now generate an image that matches your phrases. You can now simply download the image on your devices by clicking the download link, and that is how you can easily create outstanding AI images online. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.